Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I'm running two wires inside the car so I can do some experiment to confirm the fix. So I got one of the blue wire here of the oil pressure switch for the VTEC, and then I got the other one connect to the splice to the VTEC wire. So I'm gonna run these two wires inside the car to see if I have signal on both of them or one of them or none of them, and then I'll go from there on the fix. Because the VTEC is not kicking in, and when the VTEC try to kick in, the car just bugged down and it won't go, like it won't respond to the gas pedal. So that's where we are right now. And this is a 2003 Honda Civic. All right, let's do it. You get a positive cable, put some power there, 12 volt, and then you get a ground, getting a ground from the other side, and then you just tap it. If you hear that, I mean it's good. I mean it's working, so your problem is something else. Just find your VTEC connection, unplug it from the car, and connect the alligator clip to the actual thing, and then come to the battery and tap it. If you hear that, every time you tap it, that means the solenoid is good. So if you're having a big tech problem, definitely not the solenoid. Alright, so this is how we got this set up. So I got the jumper box connect to the ground, and then I got my alligator clip connect to my test light, and then the test light connect to the ground of the car. So the light is green right now, so I just want to see if that's gonna change to red when I take off. So I'm driving right now. I want to see if it goes. See, there it goes, red, but I don't hear any VTEC. Bugged down. Now it came back on. If I step on the gas, cut off. I'm pushing the gas and it won't go. Okay, let's see. So it's not the signal. Not even throwing the signal anymore. So it's not throwing the signal. So let me do some others tests. Yeah, everything's still connected. It's just not throwing the signal anymore. Okay, so now I'm gonna test the wire coming out of the oil pressure switch. I want to see if I get a change on that light. Right now it's reading ground. Let's see if it changes. Didn't change. Let me turn back around. I'm not getting a check engine light right away, so let's see. Having that connected there, I still haven't got a check engine light. There we go. Check engine light again. Okay, so let me stop right here. Do some other changes. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I splice them together, both of them. Oh, but I gotta, let me raise the check engine light. Let me raise this real quick. Okay, so I got them together. I raise the code. Now I'm gonna go drive it. Make a U-turn. What was that? I heard something. Turn here. So I'm not getting the check engine anymore. So we'll do it again. Make another U-turn here. Oh, that's what I heard. That was it's like a rebar. What is that? Yeah, that's what I heard. Make that noise. All right, so here we go again. So we still got that hooked up, those two. I'm not getting check engine light. Found the fix for it. I'll do it again. Make another U-turn here. It's a lot of U-turns. Let me stop completely. I got nobody behind me. So I still got that hooked up. The light's still green. So let me take my test light off. And now we do it. Yeah, no check engine light. Now bugging out. Let me read the code now. See if we got anything. Read code. Everything. Give me everything. Give me all you got. No codes. So that's a fix right there. Now let me go to now we gotta update this thing. Let me go to drive cycle. So we got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 stuff in order to pass a mission here in Virginia. You can only have 1 pending. So we gotta delete. We gotta make sure we update 3. So I'm gonna keep driving these. Let me reset this to 0. Trip A 0. and I'll get back to you guys to fix, which is the EGR. I was gonna fix this first, but I guess cleaning the EGR didn't work, so I'm gonna have to remove the whole housing for the EGR out and get that clean out because it's clogged up, because I'm getting 2 coats, so that means it's bad. All right, so we are removing I removed the EGR, and then this thing 2 bolts on the bottom, 3 on the top. Take it off, and there is our problem right there. Oh, there's our problem right there. This need to be clean. Remember, I was spraying yesterday the brake cleaner, and it was clogged up. So we're gonna find something and clean that out, and that's it. That's all we need, because that thing is clogged up. Okay, so I just want to show you. So I connect the wire, the one coming out of the VTEC. I spliced it here earlier today. So the wire I run inside the car, which it was this blue one, I just cut it right here, and then I turn it back around and I fish it through here to bring it to the connector, so you don't see it, so it doesn't make it so obvious. So I splice it to the blue wire, so from VTEC solenoid wire to the oil pressure switch right here. Now I'm working on the EGR, and then we go drive this, and removing this little plastic, it was a pain. And now I gotta put it back in. Yep. So there, everything is back to normal. Everything's connected. All right, so this is the plan. I'm gonna drive this until the EGR goes away. That way I know it passed the test, so let's go. Still showing that it's in. Let me float it. Yeah. See, we're not getting the check engine light anymore. So the VTEC is done. Now I just gotta wait for this EGR thing to clear away. Might take a little bit driving. So here I got the manifold. Out. Put this light right here. But this is the thing we gotta clean. So I mean, I can pull the manifold out, but I don't think that's gonna require any cleaning. I will still clean it a little bit. But the main thing we gotta clean is this. This thing is a problem. All this build up. That's what we gotta clean for the EGR. And see how we look over here. Doesn't look bad. Everything else look clean over here. Not bad. There's the knock sensor. I bet it's a pain to. So I had to remove the. To get to the bottom bolts, I had to remove the oil filter. So the oil filter is over there. And then you can get those bolts. So I'm gonna clean that and see if that's gonna fix the problem for the EGR. I'm gonna take the EGR out again so I can spray some stuff through here to see if it's gonna come all the way. Look how much stuff I got out. Just first I just went with a flathead, and now I'm gonna spray it with a brake cleaner. Spray a little bit on it, let it soak in there, and then I can clean it off. Alright, so here it is, already clean. So yeah, this save you more time and less problem without removing the injectors. You can just flip this thing over. I mean, that's how it goes. So you kind of. Alright, so we're gonna go drive it again into the EGR clears away. I set it to 0, so let's go.